this video, we will show you how to use the chromakey feature. Let's use input 10 as the background image and input 12 as the chromakey source. First, enter the main menu, then the keyer menu. Select Key 2 in the keyer option, and under keyer control, select Chroma and Self. Next, go to the Chroma menu, select Key 2 in the keyer option, then select Input 12 in the key source option. Locate and press the Key 2 program button in the keyer button group on the keyboard, and you should be able to see a chroma-keyed Input 12 image on the background. Finally, adjust the chroma key setup parameters to make the chroma key effect look more natural. Be careful not to cover the main theme of the key source while adjusting the mask. This completes the chroma key configuration.